all, we need to know our cranial nerves that are involved here are cranial nerve 3 and cranial nerve 6. So the game is being played between these two nerves mainly. So now which one is cranial nerve 3? Can you tell me? Oculomotor, right? Yep. And cranial nerve 6 is the abducens nerve. Now these two, they are playing a game. So let's say there is your best friend. Your best friend is standing on the left side, and you need to look on the left side. Now both of your eyes need to look on the left side. Okay. So the bestie is standing here. So you need to have this type of gaze to look in this direction. So when you're looking towards that side, when you're looking in that direction, this type of gaze is conjugate gaze. And conjugate gaze is played by the cranial nerve 3 and cranial nerve 6. And what about the left eye? The left eye will overfire, the abducens nucleus will overfire, and it will manifest as nystagmus. So there is impaired adduction in the affected eye, and we name the internuclear ophthalmoplegia according to it. Like if right eye is not adducting, right internuclear ophthalmoplegia, right MLF lesion is there, and the opposite eye will undergo nystagmus. That is what is happening here. Okay, this is what is internuclear ophthalmoplegia, right and left internuclear ophthalmoplegia. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Do you want me to repeat it?
No,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay, now you try it. You try it for the left one. You fine? Okay. Yes, whichever side, like you said, you shows left internuclear ophthalmoplegia. So the left eye will not move medially, which is, it won't adduct. It won't move medially, it won't adduct. Which MLF is affected? Left MLF is affected. Okay. So what will happen as a result of this? The right eye will undergo the nystagmus. So
Yes,
this is my nystagming eye. This eye will have the nystagmus, like you said, and the left eye is the one that is not going to adduct. And adduct means it is not going to look in this direction. When we ask the patient to look towards the right side, the right eye will move, but the left eye will not adduct. This eye will abduct, yes, but this eye will refuse to adduct. Okay, it won't do it. This is left internuclear ophthalmoplegia. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We did the right internuclear ophthalmoplegia. Now we did the left internuclear ophthalmoplegia, and I think you're clear with this concept now.
Yeah, ma'am. Now I am.